Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming what you have. Run Python version or PyV to see the current release. Once done, download the Windows installer that matches your architecture, 32 or 64-bit, and save it. Make sure to select the installer option to add Python to path. This is critical so the command prompt recognizes the new binary. You'll also decide between installing for all users or just you. This affects where files go and whether admin rights are required. You run the installer now, right-click and choose Run as Administrator if you want system-wide installation. When the installer appears, use Customize Install to include pip, idle, and documentation, or choose Install Now for a quick default setup. During customization, enable Add Python to path if not already checked, and review advanced options for precompiled bytecode or install location. Once configured, click Install and watch progress. The installer updates system links, so the new Python command points to your chosen version. You finish by verifying the update. Open a fresh command prompt and run Python version and where Python to confirm the path. Once done, use the Py launcher with -3. X, for example, Py -3. 11 to target a specific installed release if you keep multiples. If commands still reference the old version, make sure path entries list the new installation first or uninstall older Python instances. If problems persist, reinstall with the Add to Path option enabled and restart the terminal to refresh environment variables.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.